Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Nirwani and today we'll be doing this chapter called as matrices. Today we are going to do inverse. One, two, minus two, minus one, three, zero, zero, minus two, one. You have to find inverse of a matrice. Now, rather tricky topic. Let's try to understand how do we do this. You will say let whatever is the sum, let A be equal to that given sum. So let us assume that A is 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 1. Right? Now we are going to try to find the inverse by using row transformation. When you have to find out inverse by using row transformation, you will say, I can say that A into A inverse should be equal to 1. A into 1 upon A should give you 1. And 1 in matrices is written as I. A 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 1 into A inverse is I. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? Now, please understand this. Right? You have to convert this into an identity matrix. Right? There's a particular order in which you have to go to convert this into identity matrix. I'm going to write the order on the other side. Right? Now, I'll just show you the order how you have to do it. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now these are the various positions. How do you convert any matrix into identity matrix? Whatever is the number in position 1, convert it into 1. To convert it into 1, you have to use subtraction. Subtract and you can get this. Now see, this is called as say R1, R2 and R3. Row 1, row 2 and row 3. By subtracting R1 minus R3 or R1 minus R2, you can get that as 1. Then the number in position 2 and position 3 have to be converted into 0. Right? For converting this into 0, you have to use R1 always. The second term should always be R1. I'll show you this with the sum. I'll just first write the formula here. Then the number in position 5 has to be converted into 1 and the number in 4 and 6 have to be converted into 0 using R1. Right? Similarly, then the number in position 9 has to be converted into 1 and 7 and 8 have to be converted into 0. This is not R1, sorry, this is R2 and this is R3. Fine, do we get this idea? Now, let's try to see this with the help of a sum. I have to convert the number in position 1 as 1. It's already 1. Now I need to convert the number in position 2 and 3 as 0. 3 is already 0. I want to convert the number in position 2 as 0. Where is the number in R2? What is the number? Minus 1. Where is this number? This number is in R2. What is the number? The number is minus 1. What is complement of minus 1? Plus 1. What is complement of minus 1? Plus 1. And I said that you have to use R1. So this is going to be R2 minus R1. That's how you frame the equation. So when you are in the first column, the second number that you will add or subtract has to be R1. Okay. Let's see one sum. 1, 2, minus 2. R2 plus R1. Minus 1 plus 1. 0. 3 plus 2, 5, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 0 minus 2, 1 into A inverse 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right, do we get this in here? So my first column is done. Now the number in position 5 has to be converted into 1. right? The formula says that number in position 5 has to be converted into 1. Now if I do, where is this number in second row? If I do R2 plus 2R3, R2 is 5 plus 2R3, 2 into minus 2, that's minus 4, right? So 5 minus 4 will give you 1. So this can be written as 1, 2, minus 2, 0, 5, minus 2, only R2 is going to change. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1, minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 2, 0, 0 minus 2, 1, A inverse, right? 1, 0, 0. Same thing here, R2 plus 2, R3, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0 again, 1, 0 plus 2, that is 2, 0, 0, 1. Now I need to convert the number in position number 6 and 4 as 0, right? I need to convert the number here and number here to be 0, right? Where is that number in R1? Where is this number in R1? What is the number 2? What is the complement of 2? Minus 2. For second column you have to use R2. Similarly, I want to convert this number into 0. Where is this number in R3? What is this number? Minus 2. What is the complement? Where is this number in R3? What is the number? Minus 2. What is the complement of minus 2? Plus 2. Right? Now R1 has to change. 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 minus 0, minus 2, 0, 1, 0. R3 has to change. 0 plus 0, 0, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, into A inverse as it is. Now R1 has to change. 1 minus 2, minus 1, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 0 minus 4, minus 4, R1 minus 2, R2, R1 minus 2, R2, same thing. You have to be a little good with your oral maths, right? Then 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 4, 5. Now, the number in position 9 should be 1. The number in position 9 is already 1. Now, the number in position 7 and 8 have to be 0, out of which 8 is already 0. I want to convert this number into 0. Where is this number in R1? What is this number? Minus 2. What is the complement of minus 2? Plus 2. R3. So now, 1 plus 0. 1, 0 plus 0. 0, minus 2 plus 2. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A inverse. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. Then minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. Minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4 plus 10 will be 6. Right? 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5. Right? But what is this? This is nothing but identity matrix.
1, 1, 2.
Excuse me. 1, 1, 2. Sorry. Right? Now, but what is this? This is nothing but identity matrix. What's the value of identity matrix? 1. So therefore, I'll get A inverse is 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. That's your answer. Right? This you get as a 4-mark sum in your paper. Integration is a 3-mark sum, but this is a 4-mark sum. This is the only 4-mark sum that you get in the paper. Right? Let's practice this a little more. Guys, it's a method. If you understand the method, it's very simple. Find inverse of.
So, in the second step, you did R2 plus 2R3 there. You could have taken the first row also.
No, first row I've already converted into 1. If I would have done that, then this 1 would have gone from this position. Whatever I've already converted, don't use that again. Let's see another sum. Find the inverse of.
So, and what does that arrow have signify?
That particular row or that particular column will change. In this case, that particular row will change. Find the inverse of this. Right? First of all, whatever is the sum, let us assume that to be A. Find, do we get this thing here? So let us assume that A be equal to 326, 112, 225. Right? Then I can say A into A inverse is I. Right? Now this can be written as A 326, 112, 225 into A inverse is I 100, 010, 001. Right? Now remember the method. The number in position 1 has to be 1. Right? There are multiple ways in which I can do it. Either I can do 3 minus twice R2, or I can do 3 minus 2, but I am not very good with my subtraction. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to interchange R2 and R1. It is not necessary that you follow this method. There are multiple ways of doing this. How will I get one? I could have done R1 minus 2 R2. I could have done R1 minus R3, or I can do R2, interchange R2 and R1. I'm showing you interchange because their mathematical calculations are less, therefore I prefer students doing that. Interchange, just change 112, 326, 225 into A inverse is 010, 100, 001. I have interchanged R2 and R1. I want to make this number as 0. Where is this number? In R2. Right? What is the number? 3. What is the complement of 3? Minus 3. R1. I want to make this number as 0. Where is the number? In R3. What is the number? 2. What is the complement of 2? Minus 2. R1. Right? So this is going to be equal to 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 6 minus 6, 0, then 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 1, into A inverse 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 3, minus 3, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 1 minus 0, 1. Right? Now this is done. I want to make the number in the 5th position as 1. It is minus 1. Now what will I do? Multiply R2 with minus 1. Because minus into minus will give you plus 1. The number here is minus 1. I want to make it plus 1. How do I make it plus 1? Multiplied by minus 1. So in that case, this will be 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A inverse is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 0. Since I'm multiplying by minus 1, all the signs will reverse. 0, minus 2, 1. This number should have been 0, it is 0. I want to make this number as 0. Where is this number? In R1. What is the number? 1. What is the complement of 1? Minus 1. R2. This is going to be R1 minus R2. So how do I do this? This can be written as 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 0 1 0, 0 0 1 into A inverse R1 minus R2, 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 3, 0, 0 minus 2, 1. I want to make this number as 1. The number in the 9th position as 1. It was already 1. I want to make the number in the 7th and the 8th position as 0. 8th position is already 0. I want to make 7th position as 0. Where is the number in R1? Where is the number in R1? What is the number 2? What is the complement of 2 minus 2? R3. Right? This is 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2. 0. 0 1 0. 0 0 1 is equal to A inverse. Now 1 minus 2. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 3 0. 0 minus 2 1. Right? So in that case your answer will be A inverse is 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. Right? Next, let's see the next sum, guys. Nice topic. Find inverse of 2 minus 1 0, 1 0 4, 1 minus 1 1. Whatever is the sum, you assume that to be A. So you will say A is equal to 2 minus 1 0, 1 0 4, 1 minus 1 1. Right? Next, I can say it's a stereotype method. Guys, if you understand the method, it is very simple. Straight 4 marks in your pocket. Right? I can say A into A inverse is I. Right? So first you write A. 2 minus 1 0, 1 0 4, 1 minus 1 1 into A inverse is I. 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. Right? I want to make the number in the first position as 0. I can do that either by subtracting or by interchanging. I prefer interchanging. So I will interchange R2 and R1. So why not R3 and R1? I could have done that way also. It doesn't make a difference. Whatever you do, you will end up getting the same answer. Right? 1 0 4, 2 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 1 into A inverse is 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 0 0 1. Right? Once you have this, then I want to make the number in the second and the third position as 0. Right? Where is the number in R2? Right? What is the number 2? What is the complement of 2? Minus 2. Right? So this is minus 2 R1. I want to make this number as 0. Where is the number in R3? What is the number 1? What is the complement of 1? Minus 1.
So that be R2, right? Minus 1 R2.
No, in the first column it has to be R1. Right? 1 0 4. 2 minus 2. 0. Minus 1 plus 0. Minus 1. 0. Minus 8. Minus 8. Then 1 minus 1. 0. Minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3. A inverse is 0, 1, 0. 1 minus 0. 1, 0. Yeah, you want to ask me something?
So minus 3, it's twice R1, right?
No, that's R3 minus R1. Na? So R3 minus R1. Right? For R2 it is twice. Now, I'm doing the R2 equation. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0. Right? So my first column is done. I want to make the number in the fifth position as 1. How do I do that? Multiply by minus 1. R2 into minus 1. This will be 104. It's turning out to be very simple, guys. 1, 8. 0 minus 1 minus 3 into A inverse is 1, no, 0, 1, 0. Minus 1, 2, 0. 0 minus 1, 1. Right? Now, I want to make the number in the fourth and the sixth position as 0. Fourth position is already 0. I want to make sixth position 0. Right? Where is the number in R3? What is the number? Minus 1. What is the complement of minus 1? Plus 1. R2. 104, 018, 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. A inverse is nothing but 0, 1, 0. Minus 1, 2, 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Right? Now we are stuck, people. I cannot subtract and get this number. Because if I try to subtract anything, these two zeros will get converted. So in that case, when you are in such a situation, then you use division. Divide R3 by 5. As far as possible, never go for division. Reason, the moment you go for division, you are going to get fraction. And fraction, addition, subtraction, you generally end up making a mistake. Right? 104, 018, 001. A inverse 010 minus 120 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. Now I want to make these two numbers as 0. Where is the number in R1? What is the number 4? What is the complement of 4 minus 4? R3. I want to make this number as 0. Where is the number in R2? What is the number 8? What is the complement of 8? Minus 8. R3. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 4 minus 4. 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 8 minus 8. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Inverse. Now, carefully guys. 0 minus 0 minus 4 into minus 1 by 5. Minus into minus is plus 4 by 5. Right? We do the working note down for the next one. 1 minus 4 by 5. That's 5 minus 4 by 5. That's 1 by 5. 0 minus 4 by 5. That's minus 4 by 5. Next. Second one. Minus 1 minus 8 into minus 1 by 5. So that's minus 5 plus 8 by 5. That's 3 by 5. Minus 5 minus into minus plus. 2 minus 8 into 1 by 5. 5 to the 10, 10 minus 8, that is 2 by 5. 0 minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. Right? Now, I could either take 5 common from the whole thing or I could leave it as it is. I can say that A inverse is nothing but 4 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. Right? So that is going to be your value of A inverse. Some authors even take that 5 common outside, take 5 common from first row, second row and third row, and then just write the numerators in. So it will be 1 upon 25 and the numerators. But you leave it here. The more the steps you do, the more mistakes you will make. So it's better that we do less steps and get the answer. Let's see another sum, guys. I'll rub this format out now.
So is it possible in a sum that you get multiple answers?
No. All of you, irrespective of the method that any of you uses, you will all end up getting the same answer. Right?
So even if in that step with
I would have done R2 minus R1 or R3.
No. Later down when you have 4, 8, 5, if you would have divided either 4 or 8.
You cannot do that because I need to have this number as 1. If I do any of the other step, if I would have divided this by 4, this would have become 1 by 4. So then my whole matrice would have got spoiled. I wouldn't have got my identity matrix. Next, let's see the next sum, guys. Find inverse of 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. Right? Now let's see this. Same method, guys. Repetition of method. You can do the sum with me. Let us assume that A is 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. I can say A into A inverse is I. A is 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1 into A inverse is I. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I want to make the number in the first position as 1. Now unfortunately I can't even interchange here. So what I'm going to do, I will do R1 minus R2. If I do R1 minus R2, I will get 3 minus 2, 1, minus 3 plus 3, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1 into A inverse R1 minus R2, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0. Right? I want to make the number in the second position as 0. Where is the number in R2? What is the number 2? What is the complement of 2? Minus 2. 1, 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 minus 0, 4 minus 0. 0 minus 1, 1 into A inverse is nothing but 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 2, that's minus 2. 1 plus 2, that is 3. And you have 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? Now I need to make the number in the fifth position as 1. Right? I can say R2 minus R2, that will give you 3, plus 2R3. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. See this, I'll show you this. 1, 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Right? Now, minus into minus plus 3, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Next, 0 minus 1, 1 as it is, into A inverse is going to be equal to 1 minus 1, 0. Now, minus into minus, 2 minus 0 is 2, minus 3 minus 3 plus 0, minus 3, 0 plus 2 is going to give you 2. Right? Now I want to make the number in the sixth position. 4, 5, 6, sixth position as 1. Oh, sorry, 0. Where is the number in R3? What is the number? Minus 1. Complement of minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now this is getting too monotonous. R2. Now no more explanation, I'll directly go on writing the equation. Yes, you have a problem?
I didn't understand. How did you take R2 plus R3?
R2 plus... I have 3 and 1. What combination will give you 1? Minus 3 plus...
That I understood. How did you take R2 plus R?
I did R2 because I have a minus 3 here. I want 1. What should I multiply 1 with so that I get 1 in this? I can convert 3 into 1. Use that logic. Right? Now, let's move on ahead. R3 plus R2. So this is 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, minus 2. 0 plus 0. 0. Minus 1 plus 1. 0. 1 minus 2. Minus 1. A inverse is 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 3, 2. R3 plus R2. 0 plus 2. 2. 0 minus 3. Minus 3. 1 plus 2. 3. I want to make this number as 1. Multiplied by minus 1. R3 multiplied by minus 1. So in that case you will have 1, 0, 0. 0, 1 minus 2. 0, 0, 1 into A inverse is 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 3, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 3. Right? This number is 1. I want to make this number as 0. So this is going to be R2 minus plus 2R3. 1, 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, minus 2 plus 2. 0, 0, 1. A inverse is 1 minus 1, 0. 2 plus into minus 2. So 2 minus 4, that's minus 2. Then minus 3 plus 6, 3. 2 minus 6. This is going to be 2 minus 6, minus 4. Minus 2, 3, minus 3. Therefore, I can say that A inverse is 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 2, 3, minus 4. Minus 2, 3, minus 3. Right? That will get you the value of A inverse. We will stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.